Hey, let's go. On a scale from 1 to 5, what's your spice level for Thai food? I'm usually about a 3, maybe a 2. But here at this cute little Thai food truck, no matter the spice level, everything is a 10 out of 10.
I opened this truck in 2003.
Owner Sumali Somerville has a passion for feeding people fresh and flavorful food.
I love to cook. I don't like it too much, but I love to cook for give the people,
Today, we're trying a special dish called Pad Bai Kaprao, using local chilies from the Tri-Cities.
I get the chili from my friend. She grow that one in the Side City.
Okay.
Yeah, I brought there 2 times a year, 100 pounds per time. And I put in my freezer and very spicy.
So
yeah.
200 pounds of these dried chilies get you through the whole year.
Yeah.
Wow,
yeah.
that's
but
amazing.
sometimes more if we get more busy.
Now it's time for me to try this delicious Thai dish. There's nothing more exciting than Thai food for lunch. And when I see this, oh my goodness. Wow, that chicken is, oh, here comes the spice. You can hear it in my throat. You owe it to yourself to try this. That tasted amazing. But now, let's see what everyone else thinks.
Definitely tasty.
Great flavors, fresh.
Vegetables are really fresh,
There's a spicy thing that I cannot describe.
A little bit of kick.
but it's not too spicy.
It's actually got a really good heat to it too.
Yeah, it's really flavorful. I can definitely taste the chilies.
Eastern Washington Thai chilies.
Yeah,
Nice.
how about that?
Yeah, seriously.
But they're making that dish sing, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really good.
So this is hitting all the perfect notes that you'd look for a good lunch then.
Absolutely.
I will enjoy.